God knows how much we cried throughout this journey, how many silent prayers we whispered, how many sacrifices we made, and how many times we almost gave up. Yet, He never left our side. With grateful hearts, we offer everything back to Him, for He is the reason we made this far.
Ang dami na po nating pinagdaanan at malayo na ang narating natin. We are not the same people who first walked through our school doors. We are now ready for the next step.
This day is not only the result of our hard work, but also a reflection of the support, guidance, and encouragement we have received from the people who stood by us along the way. As we begin a new chapter in our lives, let us carry the lessons we have learned.
Kasi naniniwala ko sa sarili ko na kahit gaano kahirap ang ibigay sa iyo ng Panginoon na pagsubok, kayang-kaya mong gampanan yan. Basta sa SIT ka, may future ka. Thank you so much!
It is now my great honor to welcome you all to the 29th commencement exercises of Solis Institute of Technology with the theme Values-Driven Workforce, Digitally Inclined, Lifelong Learners.
Your journey has not been easy. It is marked by sacrifice, resilience, and determination.
Kaya sana huwag kayong matakot if you choose the righteous path because we need good people.
Let us also remember that with God's guidance, nothing is impossible. Thank you to everyone who's been part of our journey.
Baunin ninyo ang aming pagmamahal at ang aming dalangin na kayo ay magtagumpay. That you will always feel family here in SIT.
What we are closing today is not the end, but the beginning of something new and full of opportunities. Once again, congratulations to all of us.